Power BI is an important tool across the entire Dynamics 365 application stack. It helps you gain deeper insights into what's occurring across your entire organization. Many Dynamics 365 applications already have Power BI embedded directly into the application, as we can see here with Finance and Operations. Many of the standard workspaces include Power BI visuals that help me better understand exactly what's happening. For example, if I wanted to dive deeper into my organization's financials, I could leverage the Financial Insights workspace that's accessible right through my master workspace. From within this workspace, I have access to a lot of important information directly related to my company's performance. This lets me better understand all of my financial information. For example, if I wanted to examine an overview of my financials, I could look at different types such as expenses, assets, or liabilities. I can also take a bigger look at our revenue projections. I can examine items like revenue by region, or I could dive into my subledgers. I can also look at common financial reports like trial balance, balance sheets, or income statements. Within income statements, I have a variety of views to help me really understand what is occurring, such as looking at variances or being able to compare our actuals versus our budgets. Now, as I return back to the financial overview dashboard, I can take advantage of Power BI's intuitive user interface to dive deeper into our information by simply clicking on the item that I want to look at, such as expenses, or I can dive deeper into individual items like examining my assets. In addition to the filtering that we have available in the report, I can take more control of what is being displayed by leveraging what are called advanced filters. For example, if I wanted to look at more than one organization or one legal entity, I could use the filter to see all legal entities that we have in the system and then select what specific companies that I would like to include. We can then start to get a consolidated view of all these organizations from one central view. Now, as I look at this information, I can drill through into other reports by selecting the data that we want to take a deeper look at. For example, if I wanted to look at the expenses that are making up the $68 million, I can open the expenses 3-year trend report, where it will take me into a more detailed report that shows me all of the financial information down to the line item level to see exactly how much we are spending on specific expenses. By clicking on the transaction detail, this takes me into the source transactions that are making up this report. This lets me dive all the way down to the specific expenses to help me better understand exactly why these numbers are the way that they are. So as you can see, by taking advantage of embedded Power BI as part of Finance and Operations, you have everything you need to let it be an integral part of your business. It takes all of the flexibility and key features of Power BI and exposes them directly inside the financial application that your users are using every day. This makes it much easier to understand in context why these numbers are the way they are.